Hello, ZENworks community, and welcome to the latest developments in the ZENcast channel. I'm Paul Pedron, one of the Microfocus ZENworks backline engineering team members that will be hosting the upcoming pilot for the ZENworks community channel called ZENcast. It'll happen each week on Tuesday, starting March 3rd, 9 a.m. Mountain Time. This is a pilot going through April, and depending on your interest and response to this channel will determine its success and growth. As this stream develops, we are keeping an eye on EMEA and Asia Pac and try to deliver them some lifetime streaming during their hours. This is a community collaboration put together to allow anyone involved or even interested in ZENworks to drop in, see demos, live chats with community or colleagues or even ZENworks engineers, developers, or any other support staff that might be available. I think of it as a modern day ZENworks users group or a ZENworks users channel. Anything ZENworks. ZENworks ZCM patch, FDE, imaging, bundles, policies. It's so broad. The ZENworks reporting, ZENworks service desk, a store, ZENworks desktop containers, mobile workspace, etc. Basically, this platform is for the ZENworks community to stay in touch in a little more intimate way. And I've announced earlier, starting in February, but Microfocus wanted to get behind us 100%. They liked the idea and wanted to provide our own ZENcast channel out on the ZENworks Microfocus support and training site. So if you go out to the Microfocus support and training site, you can see that we already have some ZENworks down under endpoint management. We have some ZENworks service desk desktop containers. We'll also have a ZENcast right here, which would be the community stuff that we videotape. Okay, so that's where you'd see it. A couple other things that you can see while we're out there. We want to make sure that we can announce the latest news. So for instance, I'll announce that Service Desk 812, if you haven't heard, is available through the admin console on online updates in Service Desk. ZCM 2020 Update 1 beta starting next week, February 12th. So you can register there at zen@microfocus.com. Unified Endpoint Management Roadmap Review is a webinar coming up the day after, February 13th. That's 9 o'clock Mountain Time, and you can register out there under the ZENworks community website. Microfocus ZENcast YouTube channel is going live, and that's on March 3rd. And then the TTP EMEA 2020 conference is going on March 9th through 13th. And the 2 days before, the weekends, 7th, 8th, if you could get there early, the workshops are included, and they have 4 different types of workshops that you might be interested in. Very effective under the hood stuff. So the location is University of Regensburg in Germany, and the registration is the TTP.org site for that particular conference. If you haven't gone before, I definitely recommend you going one time or another. And they have 3, USA, Asia, and Europe, EMEA. And then also, the other thing I wanted to make sure that we could show you is we would obviously have our location for we can actually do demos. You can display and see stuff. We'd have chat going alongside so that we can talk about it if you're able to chat in and ask questions during that particular topic. It works out really well. So next I'd want to mention that the demonstrations, like I said, can be chat and viewed as discussed. There are ways to be notified that this channel is going live if you happen to forget or you're in a meeting or something. If you register on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or even the YouTube subscription, when it goes live, it'll send you an automatic notification so you can kind of catch up and get in on the action. The forecast of the weekly ZENcast activities or demonstrations will be found on the YouTube or the Facebook site. And then since this is your community, we really want to know what you'd like to see and discuss for demonstrations and activities during the weekly 2-hour sessions. The beauty of it is if you happen to miss it, you'll be able to see the recorded clips of some of the activities on the streaming channel. So this site doesn't replace any existing support methods like forums, service requests, training, but it will supplement knowledge transfer. I can guarantee you that. Getting the latest ZENworks Community Collaboration, upcoming micro-focus customer city events or CABs, TTP conferences and activities, webinars. We want this to be your ZENworks Community ZENcast. So come visit, subscribe, collaborate, and strengthen your knowledge in ZENworks. And I hope to see you soon in March. Talk soon. Bye now.